Hello friends and welcome to my DIYs. So today I'm going to do a totally different video in which I will be unboxing the Realme 3 Pro mobile phone which I purchased from flipkart.com. I got this for 15,500 because there's a discount going on for Axis Bank's card in which you'll get up to 1500 off on this one. So let's get started. It is packed with a bubble wrap because it's fragile, so I'm just gonna take this off. So this is how it looks, and as you can see here that it is of color lightning purple, and the RAM is 6 GB and the ROM is 128 GB. So I bought the 128 GB one because I don't want it to run out of memory after some usage. Mm, yeah, and the price is not mentioned anywhere, but you can check it out on Flipkart. Yeah, it's here. It's mentioned here that the price is 19,999, so 20,000 overall. And it has a dual camera with configuration 16 megapixel and 5 megapixel. Also it has a front camera of 25 megapixel and the weight is 178 grams, so I think it will not be as heavy, and the month of manufacture is May 2019. So I was pretty excited about this because I have read the reviews about Realme 2 and it was quite good, so I thought I'll purchase this one. Let's unpack this. It has a seal here, and if you've got a phone with a broken seal, then do not open this because it might be tampered, but this one is completely. So I'm gonna open this seal. It comes with a back cover for the phone and it also has a manual. This is a transparent back cover, so I guess I will not have to purchase another one for my phone. It's silicone and I think it will protect the phone from all the sides. Also it has an information guide in which it has the warranty card with the barcode and also the terms and conditions, so you can go through it. It's a quick guide as to where your camera and volume button and power key is, and it also has a manual which shows where to insert your SIM card and memory card. It is a dual SIM phones and it also has a memory slot, so I think it will support all at the same time. So this is the phone. Oh my god. It's a warning stated here that this device only supports standard nano SIM card. Using non-standard SIM card may cause damage to your phone, so make sure you use only nano SIM card with this phone. and the battery cannot be removed, so don't try to open the back cover. Oh, it is very beautiful. It's looking very pretty. Hmm. So here's how the phone looks, and it's a camera here, and here is the power button, I guess. And these are the volume buttons provided here, and this is the charging port, and this is the audio jack, and it is a mono speaker phone, so the speakers are provided here. The fingerprint scanner is on the back, and as you can see, it has got two cameras. Now let me just turn it on. I hope it has sufficient battery. Now it is being turned on. Now let me just quickly go through other accessories that are boxed with this phone. So we have a adapter here, white colored adapter, and its power rating is 4 ampere. And make sure you only use the genuine ones for charging your phone, because I've often seen that people use different chargers for charging their phone, and that ends up damaging your phone. And this is the power cable. So that's pretty much it. No headphones are provided with the phone. I guess you'll have to purchase it from outside. So I'll just select the language. My language is English United States. Continue. Connect to Wi-Fi. So the Wi-Fi is connected now. Terms of use. I will just accept the terms and condition. Now it is checking for the updates. As you can see, the Wi-Fi is connected here now, and it is showing that I do not have any memory card here or SIM card. So it is asking me to sign into my Google account, but I'll do this later. So I'll skip this step. Skip. More. Accept. So I'm gonna just accept the settings. So it is asking me for the fingerprint and face code. So I'm just gonna quickly skip this step. I'll do this thing later. Continue. Import data from old phone. Let me get in my phone. So it is quite light and it looks very premium. And also I like this back color, which has a tinge of purple and black at the same time. And the logo is here, Realme. So I'll just start experimenting. So here it is. Here's how it looks, and I'll just show you the camera. So this is the camera. So this is the picture I took of these flowers placed here, and it is very clear, as you can see. Let me just quickly go to the settings and check about the phone. So it's showing here the device name is Realme 3 Pro, model is RMX1851. The RAM is 6 GB and the device storage is 128 GB total, out of which only 104 GB is available. Disk is occupied by the pre-installed app. So it comes pre-installed with all these apps. It has Facebook, Amazon, ShareChat, Web Novel, Paytm, Wink Music. And this is your smart assistant, which is a one-step access to your important information like flights and schedules and notifications and all those things. So I'm just gonna skip this thing because I need time to configure all this. So here is my smart assistant. It is showing the temperature and the calendar and the step tracker and also the tip of the day, favorite contacts, and all those quickly accessed menu item. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. And if you did, then do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon for more such reviews. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.